Hi everyone, my name is Lalitya and I am from grade 3B. Today I am sharing you about MS Subbalakshmi. Madurai Shanmukavadi Subbalakshmi was born in 16th September 1916 in Madurai to Subramanya Iyer and Amal. She trained in Carnatic music and Hindustani music. Pandit Nehru called her Queen of Music. Lata Mangeshkar called her Tapaswini. Ghulam Ali Khan called her Suswara Lakshmi. Sarojini Naidu called her Nightingale of India. She was awarded Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna and Ramon Magsaysay Award. I often admire MS Subbalakshmi for her vocal quality, deep devotion expressed in music. Her contribution in Carnatic music on global stage made her the popular figure on Indian classical music. Her singing has a spiritual depth that can touch the listeners on a profound level. She is the first to perform on United Nations General Assembly. She has an impact on society and future generations musicians. Now I conclude this with a song. Rama Kodanda Rama Rama Kalyana Rama Rama Kodanda Rama Rama Kalyana Rama Rama Saketa Rama Rama Pattabhi Rama Rama Saketa Rama Rama Pattabhi Rama Rama Sitapati Rama Nivegati Rama Sitapati Rama Nivegati Rama Niku Mrukkiti Rama Ni se Zikkiti Rama Niku Mrukkiti Rama Ni che Zikkiti Rama Nikevaru Jodu Rama Ni Kranta Jodu Rama Nikevaru Jodu Rama Ni Kranta Jodu Rama Nenu Ni Vadu Rama నాతో మాటాడు రామ నేను నీ వాడు రామ నాతో మాటాడు రామ కోదండ రామ రామ కళ్యాణ రామ రామ కోదండ రామ రామ కళ్యాణ రామ రామ సాకేత రామ రామ పట్టాభి రామ. థ్యాంక్ యూ.